5 Indian Army soldiers were killed in the line of duty while 5 were injured after terrorists attacked a military convoy in Machedi area of Katwa in Jammu yesterday. Now the injured have been shifted to a hospital for treatment.
बस सब्र जा कर नहीं दे।